Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin. Deep down in the bear market, JasmyCoin is down 83.3% on a yearly time frame, but JasmyCoin is ready to pump to the upside. The altcoin season index is telling us right now is Bitcoin month. Where will JasmyCoin be heading in the coming days and the coming months? If we start pumping to the upside, where are we going to face bear market rejection? We'll be taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also look at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. JasmyCoin has a market cap of $233 million. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming months? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
JasmyCoin is up 11.4% in the last 1 week, but the big news is that JasmyCoin is still down bad in its first full crypto bear market. From where JasmyCoin rally ended in November of 2021 around the $0.32 level, we have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 99% of its value deep in its first full crypto bear market. But guys, before we see this kind of huge jumps in the market, we also see huge pumps to the upside. We saw JasmyCoin rallying by more than 3,500% before we saw a 99% dump to the downside. But JasmyCoin has started the year on a very bright note, rallying from as low as the $0.0027 level, getting to as high as the $0.007 region. JasmyCoin has pumped since the turn of the year by more than 180%. But we're still trading below where we're trading in August of 2022 when Bitcoin was trading around $25,000. Bitcoin has gone on to trade for as high as $28,000. When will JasmyCoin and the rest of the altcoin market join Bitcoin pumping to higher prices? The altcoin season index shows us Bitcoin outperforming altcoins in the last 1 month. In the last 3 months, Bitcoin has also been outperforming altcoins, and even on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins. And anytime we stay in an extended period of time where we're seeing Bitcoin outperform altcoins, the capital usually flow from Bitcoin back into altcoins, and we might just see JasmyCoin in the coming days and the coming weeks getting ready to pump to higher prices. Now, if we start pumping to higher prices, key levels to pay attention to for JasmyCoin. We've seen JasmyCoin rally back to the $0.0081 region, but we've got rejected at that level, which has seen JasmyCoin come back to support. We have seen JasmyCoin down by more than 47% since when we got to that $0.0081 region. If JasmyCoin can blast above that significant resistance level where we saw JasmyCoin finding support in June of 2021 and hitting that support level various times before we started dumping to Goblin Town, JasmyCoin can easily just start rallying to higher prices, maybe getting to the $0.026 level. That's the highest we've seen JasmyCoin trade since June of 2022. If we're lucky in this relief rally, JasmyCoin can go back to the price region where it was trading in March of 2022 when we saw JasmyCoin trading around the $0.049 region. JasmyCoin, from where we're currently trading right now, requires to go up by 874% if we're to see that pump to the $0.048 region where we were trading in March of 2022. And if JasmyCoin is going to give us the mama jamma and go back to the regions where we were trading in November of 2021, this equivalent of Bitcoin going back to $69,000, JasmyCoin will have to return more than a 6,300% pump to the upside. I believe JasmyCoin will get that high by the end of the next bull run. But right now in this bear market, these are key levels we should pay attention to for JasmyCoin. These are levels where JasmyCoin might dump to or might pump to in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Even though altcoins are not performing really well right now, guys, that's exactly when you want to accumulate deep in the crypto bear market. In the bear market, there's extreme fear. In the bear markets, people are willingly flipping their altcoins back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum. Guys, one of the smartest person in the world, Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of our time, said, how to make money in the market is simply by buying extreme fear and selling extreme greed. The market flows between extreme fear and extreme greed. And if you can conveniently buy extreme fear When the market heads to extreme greed, you'll be offloading your bags to other retail investors that want to gobble some JasmyCoin and thinking will continue pumping to the moon. But for you to enjoy that pump to the upside, guys, you have to take that step of faith and invest in the bear market. And the bear market can be very brutal. The bear market can be very, very chaotic. In the bear market, you see a lot of pumps that will deceive you to the upside. You see a lot of dumps also that will deceive you to the downside. But your number one job in the bear market is to survive to get to that end of that next bull run when we see those huge pumps to the upside. More importantly, if you're accumulating in the bear market, guys, remember not to go all in too quickly. There's always that possibility that the bottom is not in. There's always that possibility that we can easily dump to new lows. And if you go all in, you won't be able to take advantage of that opportunity. JasmyCoin dropping back to lows we were trading in December of 2022. We see JasmyCoin having a 40% dump to the downside. And knowing altcoins, that 40% dump to the downside can happen in a twinkle of an eye. So keep some capital on the side so that if you see those life-changing prices, you'll be able to take advantage of them. If you take a look at some details about JasmyCoin, in the last 1 year, JasmyCoin traded for as high as $0.034, and JasmyCoin has also traded for as low as $0.0027. With a market cap of $233 million, JasmyCoin has a fully diluted market cap of $245 million. Currently ranked 144 on CoinMarketCap, with over 144,000 people having JasmyCoin on their watch list. If you want to buy or sell some JasmyCoin through the bear market, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some JasmyCoin right there. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, it's nothing to write home about. We're down in Goblin Town. This is the lowest we've seen JasmyCoin trade against Bitcoin. At some point in time in the future, we'll see JasmyCoin having that huge pump to the upside. But guys, let's not be expecting crazy pumps to the upside. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. If JasmyCoin is going to rally back to the level where it was trading against Bitcoin in March of 2022, we're going to see JasmyCoin rally by more than 560% to the upside. And knowing how volatile altcoins can be, that rally can happen very quickly. Take a look at what happened in the altcoin market in November of 2020 when the altcoin market was telling us to accumulate some altcoins. By February of 2021, altcoins had already gone up 10x, 20x. Some altcoins already had 50x moves to the upside. Another rally we saw in the altcoin market that happened from May of 2019 to June of 2019. What happened? In just a 1 month period of time, the altcoin market doubled in value. So we might see JasmyCoin pumping to higher prices in the next 1 month. But guys, caution, we're still in the bear market and those rallies can easily start dumping to Goblin Town. I told you guys earlier in the video, the bear market is designed to liquidate both bears and bulls. The bear market is designed to trick you. And your number one job in the bear market is to survive till the end of the next bull run. JasmyCoin is currently down bad against Ethereum also, and we're expecting JasmyCoin in the coming days and the coming weeks to pump to the upside against Ethereum, maybe giving us a 400, if we're lucky, a 500% pump to the upside to go back trading where we're trading in March of 2022. And if we take a sneak peek at JasmyCoin's market cap, we've seen JasmyCoin's market cap at the $233 million region. We saw more JasmyCoin coming to circulation in December of 2022. JasmyCoin's market cap dropped to as low as $18 million. But then we saw a 10x increase in the market cap that took it back to $180 million. And since then, JasmyCoin's market cap has been staying above that $200 million region. JasmyCoin's market cap is back to where we're trading in March of 2022. If JasmyCoin's market cap will continue rallying to the upside, the $386 million region will be a very critical level to pay attention to. JasmyCoin got rejected at that level in February of 2023. If JasmyCoin will go back to the previous all-time high around $1.5 billion, JasmyCoin's market cap will have to rally by more than 560%, which will fall in line with JasmyCoin's price going from the $0.0047 region to JasmyCoin pumping to as high as the $0.029 region. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying more JasmyCoin right now in the bear market? And how high do you see JasmyCoin going if we see that altcoin rally coming in the altcoin markets in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.